If you pay a bill online with a debit card, credit card, or basically anything that is not a check, you can download the transaction with the online banking feature. To demonstrate this, let's take a look at one of our open bills by going to Expenses and then Suppliers. We have a supplier named City of Gotham, and we also have an open bill with this supplier. Here, we can see that the bill was issued to us on 25/09/2017, and it was for £50. We paid this bill online. Therefore, we don't need to generate a transaction on QuickBooks. Instead, all we have to do is click on the Banking tab and then scroll down. And here, we can see that we actually downloaded the payment from the bank. This payment was made on 1/10/2017, and it was for £50. So, if QuickBooks downloads a payment transaction from the bank and it sees that there is an open bill, it will automatically match the bill payment with the bill that you've already entered. You can look at further details about the bill payment by clicking it. And now we can see the bill that QuickBooks is trying to link the payment to. If QuickBooks got it wrong, you can also click Find Other Records to track down a different bill, or you can click Add to make this into a different transaction. Yet, QuickBooks got it right, so let's click Match. Now, QuickBooks knows that the payment that we downloaded was a payment for our open bill for the City of Gotham. And we can now see that QuickBooks knows that we no longer owe any money on that £50 bill. If, however, you want to pay a supplier with a check, or if you have multiple bills with the supplier and you want to specify which bill is being paid with a payment, you can go to the Create menu and then choose Pay Bills. Here, we can see a bill from Hicks Hardware, number 567, and we want to pay this bill with a check. So first, we'll make sure to enter the payment account, and then the date that we're paying the bill, along with any information about the check that we're writing, such as the handwritten check number. Or, if we want to print this check out of QuickBooks, we'll select Print Later. Once you've entered all of your payment details at the top of the window, select the bill that you want to tell QuickBooks that you're paying, and then be sure that you have the payment amount entered right here. In summary, this transaction is telling QuickBooks that we're paying off bill number 567 with a handwritten check number 4. Save and close to record the bill payment. And now QuickBooks knows that we paid Hicks Hardware with that check for £500. Use either of these methods to tell QuickBooks about your bill payment.